Number 6 is the barbell bench press.
What? Now you both better say it's underrated, because the way in the 1970s we'd slap beef on people's chests before sending them into pointless wars of, you know what I'm saying, expeditionary wars the United States fought, is bench pressing. You put your benching jacket on, as Coach Derek Wilcox likes to say, and you get to going.
What do you think, Mike? Dr. Mike Isertel on the barbell bench press.
Underrated in today's climate. Underrated.
Oh,
underrated.
You've changed my mind.
No way.
With today's climate.
But you can see it, right?
Today's climate.
Today's climate.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree.
Like for years and decades, it was overrated.
We did, in my top 5, I did say that. It is one of my favorite exercises to do.
Yeah.
But I also have that attachment to it. 5 to 10 years ago, probably would have been the opposite.
Yeah.
But everybody is somehow tying pec tears to bench pressing for no fucking reason.
Even
and there's a lot of evidence-based
do.
guys that are unfortunately spreading this nonsense.
Yeah.
It's a fucking great exercise,
man. It's a great exercise. It leverages you to use your whole chest. It is really hard at the top. It's easier, hard at the bottom, easier at the top by design.
Especially if you reach your bar to the chest as you're doing
if
it.
You have good arch and retraction. In most cases, if you have a good arch and retraction, it doesn't hurt your shoulders. If you have a controlled eccentric and a full pause all the way at the bottom of your chest, it not only stretches you well, but it prevents any kind of injury from happening. It's really easy and understandable to have taken exercise that can really be fussed with and messed up. See how many people hurt their shoulders and elbows and tear their pecs on it and grind their joints into a pulp and be like, it's the exercise. But it's not.
It's not. It's the shitty technique and carrying it on with the ego attachment of load.
Yes.
And that is what leads to issues. Because I've seen, man, even friends of mine, sorry about your pec tear, man, but they say, I was using good technique. No, you weren't. I saw the videos. I'm sorry. Like, they're just not controlling that last bit.
Yep.
And when your fibers are not used to handling a load,
yeah,
that's when you run into fucking issues, and that's what the problem is.
Yeah,
with that
you're
exercise.
skipping that last bit. It gets too heavy. Your
and
fibers
that's what most people
like,
are doing. Nobody's tearing their pec on the concentric, man. Like
that's
it's
tough.
It's the concentric with not being able to get the load, and then it comes back down forcefully.
It goes boom, and they pop it, and then it goes bloop. It's
Yeah.
like the very beginning of the concentric because you haven't adequately slowed it down, paused, and went. It's also a load management issue.
It's mostly the eccentric.
Here's also the thing with pec tears.
Touch your chest.
Sets of 5, sets of 1, sets of 3.
Dumb.
Yeah, you can pop your pecs, bro. Powerlifters, I'm saying that's just what you got to do.
Yeah.
But for bodybuilding, you could just never do any reps below 12 in the barbell press. The biggest pumps of my life categorically have been with the regular flat barbell bench press for sets of 15.
100%. 100 fucking percent.
And you ain't gonna get hurt with sets of 15. It was just almost certainly not gonna happen.
Especially if you're doing consistent slow eccentric, especially at the bottom range of motion technique. Like, it's not gonna happen, guys. If it does, it's because you're just over fucking trained. Like, you've not taken care of prior injuries or past injuries or whatever, and you just wanted to keep on training hard, and that's where you run into issues. But if you're used to the loads, you're able to train those higher rep ranges, and you're actually controlling the bottom 2/3 of the range of motion, you're probably going to be just fine. But every time I see somebody, even when they say they're using good technique, I'm like, dude, this could have been cleaned up at least 2 times. Like,
and lighten the load, and all of a sudden your probability of injury is almost nothing.
Yeah.
Probability of catching